As you can imagine, reaction is rolling in very quickly. 13 on your side's Meredith Jahar is in our newsroom now with statements from those on both sides of this hotly debated issue. Mayor.
And Kirk, an important reminder before we go to that reaction. As of today, a preliminary injunction against Michigan's 1931 criminal abortion ban is protecting abortion access in Michigan. That injunction is in place as a result of a lawsuit brought by Governor Whitmer. And we start with her statement, which reads in part, quote, "Today is a sad day for America as an unelected group of conservative judges act squarely against the will of the people and medical expertise." She goes on to say, "I will fight like hell to protect every Michigander's right to make decisions about their own body with the advice of a medical professional that they trust. I will not give in or give up for my kids, for your kids, and the future of our great state." Attorney General Dana Nessel writes in part, quote, "Today's decision sets a dangerous precedent in reversing 50 years of settled law, creating extraordinary upheaval in the American legal system." She goes on to say, "Now we must act to ensure that women are not permanently relegated to second-class citizens in this country." She writes, "I will continue to fight for a woman's right to choose with the full weight of my office." Meanwhile, the Catholic Association sees today's decision as a victory, saying in part, quote, "We celebrate this day on which America has been liberated from the dictatorship of Roe v. Wade, a decision that has robbed the people of their voice in abortion-making policy for nearly 50 years. Now, similar reaction from local Republican Representative Bill Huizenga, who writes, quote, "Today's decision has been one that common sense pro-life Americans have been waiting for. This ruling confirms there is no constitutional right to end the life of an innocent unborn child." And Kirk, I know reaction continues to pour in. You now have response from another organization deeply impacted.
That's right, Meredith. Thank you so much. We've also got reaction from Planned Parenthood, a spokesperson releasing a statement that says, in part, quote, "It is a dark day for our country and we are outraged. By overturning Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court has signaled that it trusts politicians more than us to make our own deeply personal medical decisions." They went on to say, "But this is far from over. We will not compromise on our bodies, our dignity, or our inherent rights. Michiganders should know that Planned Parenthood Advocates of Michigan will always fight for you and we will not back down," end quote. When the decision came down, people on both sides of the issue went to the streets in Washington, D.C. to both celebrate and protest the decision. We have not heard of anything happening locally, but the city says it is prepared. 13 on your side's Keely Lovern is live in downtown Grand Rapids with more. Keely.
Good afternoon, Kirk. Well, we're right outside Rosa Parks Circle, which is to my right now, which is usually typically the place where people come to voice their concerns over big issues here in Grand Rapids. Now, most recently, hundreds gathered to demonstrate over the shooting death of Patrick Lyoya by a Grand Rapids police officer here at Rosa Parks Circle. And this morning, we talked with Grand Rapids Police Chief Eric Winstrom, and he says knowing this decision was coming, city leaders have met and have a plan in place should people decide to gather downtown.
I'll tell you what we've done, and that's what we've because we knew this was coming on the horizon. We've met with our city's emergency management coordinator. We've had meetings citywide and just said, what does this look like? So I won't say that we have extra resources on it, but we are fully prepared. As you know, that we're very good at handling protests. We've had a lot of experience over the past couple of years and a significant amount of experience over the past 2 or so months. So we'll be ready, and we'll provide everybody that wants to get out there and be heard a safe environment to do so.
Now, we have been looking on social media and drove around the city. None of the big areas, Calder Plaza, Rosa Parks Circle, none of these areas really seeing any people gather as of yet. No word on social media if any people do plan to gather here in Grand Rapids at this time. But Planned Parenthood did release that they have a planned protest for today at 5 o'clock at the Capitol in Lansing. That is the latest for now. Reporting live in downtown Grand Rapids, Keely Lovern, 13 on your side.